Hi, my name is Alice Lassiter, and this is my screencast of how to use Glogster.edu. First, you need to make sure that you're logged into the internet, and then you can pick a browser of your choice. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Internet Explorer will all work. I'm going to be using Safari today. Um, then you can Google search Glogster.edu, or you can type it into the browser. Alright, this is the home page for Glogster.edu. If you do not have an account, you'll have to join one. So you'll click the green Join Us button, go to Student. The school educator code that I've been using is 859283. You would create a username and a password and create my account. Now, since I already have an account, I'm just going to go to Login. I'm going to show you how to pick a template, edit and create your posters, and then I'll show you one that I've created. Alright, so I've only created one. It's an introduction one that I created for another class, but I'll show you how you would create a new one. You would go to Create New Glog, the green button at the top. These are all the different templates that you can choose from. There's a variety of backgrounds, a variety of ones with images and different graphics, and you can adjust and delete anything on the template to make it look how you want it to be, how you want it to be presented. So this is a variety of them. I think there's another page or two. So there's quite a variety for you to choose from. I'm just going to pick Timeline. Alright, it's going to load. This is going to be your template. Now, you can add, edit, delete anything that you want off this thing. Let's say I only need 2 images, so I'm going to click on this one and delete it. Then I can click on this one and move it around because I just want to add only a couple images to my timeline. Alright, so I double click on it, click image, and these are some of the photos that I have on my computer. So let's say I want to start with a younger picture of me and my brother. I move it to the image, move it down a little. I'm going to delete this background. Put it right here. This is me and my brother when we were playing soccer back in the day. Let me change that date because that's not when we were doing that. We were probably doing that in 1991-ish. And then I can highlight it, change the font, bold, change the color, change the size. Ooh, that's way too big. We'll go back to 36. Alright, close out of that, and that's done. That's the same kind of process when you're adding different text, videos. You can also add graphics. Let's go to graphics and we'll add, let's see if there's like a sports one or something with school. I want to add a school bus to my timeline. Let's try that again. Oh, there we go. Alright, so maybe I don't want this image. I'm going to delete it. Put in a school bus. I can tilt it. And voila. This is how you kind of edit your poster, make it look like you want it however you want it to be presented. And you can add different graphics, different videos, different images, and edit your text, or delete text. If you don't need this text box, you can delete it. If you want to center a title, you can do that as well. Example of Glogster. Yep, I'm going to have to edit the size. Alright, and we'll preview it. Preview is, this is how everybody else will see it. Alright, we'll click save, even though I don't need it. This is where you'll name your project. And then you can also give it a category and a topic if you want to. Sorry, closed out. Example, Glogster. So you can pick a category or pick a topic. You can also create or select a grade level that you want the poster be presented in. But these two steps are optional. So you'll click the green button, saved. Alright, then we'll go to the green button, dashboard. And this is where all of your posters are kept. You can see this was the example one that I just did. But this is one that I created for another class. Just click edit. Kind of show you, see how I can adjust my font, style, color, size. I can also tilt things. Adjust the size of my graphics, add pictures, edit the text. This was me and my brother again. I moved to Savannah to go to Armstrong. Later, me and my husband got married, got a dog, and now we enjoy doing some races. Alright, so now this is how I want it to look. I'm going to click save. Go back up here. I still want to keep the introduction name. And remember the discipline and the grades, those two steps are optional. Click save. Go to dashboard. Alright, now a different step. I want to embed this into my page. So I'm going to click back on my presentation. Remember, this is how other people will view it. If you go to the bottom, it'll go embed into your page. You double click the code, copy, and then you go to your page and paste it on your classroom webpage or your personal website. This is how we use Glogster EDU. This is interactive posters that are much more fun and better for today's generation of children than the paper and pencil kind of poster. So my kids enjoy using it, and I hope yours do as well. Goodbye.